Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, so I went to Sephora today and dropped some coins that a girl does not have. God knows my account's like, girl, stop going to Sephora. But listen, when it comes to my hair, I will spend the money, y'all. If it echoes, y'all, I am sorry. Oh, sorry. And before I continue, please make sure to like down below and subscribe, y'all, to my channel, please. I would appreciate it, y'all. And make sure to leave a nice comment down below. And don't forget the little bell button so y'all get notified every time I post a video. Thank y'all for that. I appreciate it. Now let's continue with this video. Y'all, I low-key missed the little discount that Sephora used to get back in the day because I only bought, listen, I only bought 4 products. Kind of 3, and I'll tell you why. 4 products because it came out to like $109, okay? Oof, my hair looking rough. But listen, this was stuff that I needed for my hair badly, okay? Let me show y'all what I have in here and why I spent $109. First, I'm gonna show y'all this. So I bought the Caudalie grape water, just a mist just to retouch my skin throughout the day because it's been getting kind of dehydrated, and this was only $10. So that's what I'm saying. $109 is what I spent, and this is only $10. So if I spent $10 on that, and it's a mist for my face, and $109 that I spent, listen, I was trying to go to Ulta, I won't lie to y'all, but it was closed because of the snow, and I really needed something for my hair. So I was like, you know what, I'll go to Sephora. And I love their stuff anyways, it's just expensive, but it works. So the next thing that I bought is, y'all, I haven't tried this yet. The Briogeo Be Kind, Be Gentle Avocado and Kiwi Mega. This right here, I haven't tried. I've used their brand before. I've used their other mask before, but this I haven't used. It's kind of new, it's not too new, but it did come out, I believe, like 7 months ago. What I like about this product is the fact that it has avocado, kiwi, and spinach. This right here, I believe, this was $36, y'all. So I spent $36 on this hair mask. And let me show y'all my hair right now, hold on. Y'all, this hair is a mess. Like, look at this. What in the world? I need to wash it so bad. It needs a mask, so we're gonna do that today. The next thing that I bought, y'all, is I got the Ouai hair oil. This hair oil, I love it. Reason being, because after I wash my hair, I like to put on the hair oil right away when it's still wet. Not dripping, but still wet. The hair oil, it came out for $28. Listen, it's small, but it's worth it. A little bit goes a long way. That's why I bought it, because I'm obsessed with this oil. It's been a while since my hair has used this kind of oil. I've used much thicker oil from the drugstore, and I'm not happy with it. So this is a little bit more of a lightweight, which is what I enjoy. And let me tell y'all, the benefits of this oil is a multitasking oil that smooths, frizz, and seals split ends for a high gloss, super smooth finish. Girl. Again, y'all see how bad this looks, right? The next thing that I bought, y'all, girl. So the IGK Mistress Anti-Frizz Leave-In Conditioner is my jam, y'all. I've been using this since I literally found out about it. This was a couple years ago. It's like probably like 3 years old. I'm not sure, maybe more than that. But girl, this thing, again, a little bit goes a long way. So this will last me a while. This actually retails for, I don't know why I'm all up in the camera. Girl, hold on. It makes my face and neck look fat. That's fine. So the Mistress leave-in conditioner is going for $29, y'all. Which is not bad. Again, you get a lot, so it is kind of big. A little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna wash my hair and I'll show y'all how I use these products today. The first thing I'm gonna do is put on that hair mask on my hair, cause girl. And then after that, I'm gonna wash it, and then I'll show y'all how I put on the rest of the products. And then, yeah, stay tuned to the end because there's another product that Sephora stopped selling that I had to go and buy an Ulta, which is the last thing that I use to really make my hair like smooth and have a nice finish. And that will last me for days. Alright y'all, so here's the product. It's cute, it's small. Well, not too small. What I like that it has a little seal. Let's see it. I haven't even smelled it yet. Ooh, this is thick. Girl, this smells so good. Kind of reminds me of like cotton candy. I don't know why, but it does. Y'all wanna smell it? Okay, so I'm gonna apply some on right now because this hair is damaged. So basically y'all, it's gonna help repair my hair and hydrate my hair. I'm gonna grab some. I'll grab a lot. I use a lot of this, by the way. That's why it kind of hurts me, the price, because I'm like, I use a lot of it for my hair. Now, it does say, apply after shampoo. Girl, if I shampoo my hair and then I apply it right after, or even come out without any conditioner, my hair starts to look like a mess. Am I the only one? Let me know, because my hair, if I put any kind of shampoo, I have used non-alcoholic shampoo, my hair still comes out looking like a mess. And I need like 50 pounds of conditioner, which is annoying. That's the only reason I feel like I want to cut off my hair some days, because I'm like, girl, I can't be doing that anymore. That is too much. It does say leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Alright y'all, so I put on a lot already, as y'all can tell. I put on a lot, so I'm going to leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes. And then we're gonna wash it off and then I'll be right back. So, my hair is wet. Just got out the shower, put on my skincare. And y'all, that mask was hydrating. Super hydrating. I was shocked. And then I just continue with any conditioner of your choice. And now I'm gonna go in with the oil, y'all. So I just like to brush a little bit. So I'm doing like 3 little drops. Oh, let's not waste, honey. That was what, like almost $30? No. So I just massage it on my hand. Alright, so I'm massaging it through my entire hair. And then I like to go in with the leave-in conditioner. Alright y'all, so let me open this up. Now, if I want to leave my hair just naturally, like get its natural curls that it does, just like these wave beach curls, I just apply this, just like squeeze and scrunch it up, and then it's like soft, and like I let it air dry by itself, and I tell y'all, it is like soft, beautiful beach wave curls if I just do this alone. But I'm gonna blow dry my hair, so y'all gonna see how that looks like at the end. Alright, so I did like a little pump, y'all can see that, yeah. I'm just gonna massage it again and just go through my hair. Again, I spent like 30, what? No, this was like 20, I forgot what I said. But it's not bad, because you get a lot for what you pay for. Okay, so I got that in there. Again, this is the leave-in conditioner, so it's just gonna leave it nice and real soft, like really, I like that it's rich and thick. So it really just penetrates into my hair. I like to do it when my hair is wet, because you know, when your hair is wet, it just soaks in the water so fast. So as I'm putting in the product, I like that it just soaks it into the hair. So that's one of the reasons why I do it when it's still like really nice and wet. Alright, so I'm gonna go and blow dry my hair, y'all. And then y'all gonna see my finishing touch that I did not buy at Sephora. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, so this is the final result. What do y'all think? It is so soft. And let me show you what I use at the end when I'm done like blow drying and everything. So I like to use Alterna Caviar. This is right here, the anti-frizz dry oil frizz. No, sorry. This is the dry oil mist. Girl, this one let me show y'all. I like to do it on my hand, like, and 2. I like to go toward, just massage it a bit. And then I like to go towards my ends. It really softens my hair, so I like to do it towards the end. I still have some left. It's a very light dry oil mist, but it also helps with anti-frizz. So it towards the, you know how like the end sometimes like they split? This one doesn't. This is it, y'all. Now I need to see where I'm gonna go with this hair. Obviously I'm gonna have to put on a mask, but you know I'm gonna still show off my hair. You know where I'm gonna go, y'all? Walmart. I hope y'all enjoyed that, y'all. Make sure to follow me on Instagram right here, the Boy Monroe. Also, make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this Sephora Haul, whatever. Till next time, bye.